from 4. That is a mouthful. But here we go. So last time we did the limited time only event, the plan to catch all the tail beasts, as you can see at the top right there, and we went ahead and we tackled it for Genin, Chunin, and Jonin levels. So we're gonna get right back to the story this time around, and we're probably gonna do a few more chapters in here.
Growth, frustration, meetings and farewells.
Tifa's and
with many wills and connections in his heart. Naruto Uzumaki charged into the warring shinobi world. When the 4th Great Ninja War reached its climax,
we have to watch this.
The final showdown began.
We kind of know where this goes. At least I do. I like the shaking camera there. That's kind of cool. Sorry, I just kind of keep it on the table here. But if you remember, the last time we were in the story, we took care of... Oh, goodness. We took care of this one right here. And I did go back and S-rank these. But we took care of a couple here. Right now, we're going to continue right here. And we're going to finish up Boys Battlefield. We just did part 1 a couple episodes back. And now we're going to move on to part 2. And hopefully this time we won't have the stream cutting out at random again. Alright. Estimated play time is about 20 minutes. Let's go. Oh, I'm just wondering real quick, is that in general or... Yeah, I guess that's in general. Alright, sweet. So we're going to start here. Rin kidnapped. They kidnapped my girl, Rin.
And then? Okay, time to split up. Good luck, everyone. Disperse!
Damn. That speed, though.
After parting with Minato,
after hitting the highway,
team headed straight for their target, Hanabi Bridge. Sometimes arguing, sometimes working together, moving ever forward. Finally, several days later,
well then,
with their target in sight, the 3 took their final break. Moving into enemy territory had made them extremely tense.
I can imagine.
That was when it happened.
The Fire Nation attack. Oh wait, wrong show. I wonder if that dude has a name, because he's always been a character that stood out in the Kakashi
She's coming with us.
Dude with the kind of afro-ish
what did you do to her?
It's very similar to the hair that I currently have.
She's just asleep.
Getting a cut tomorrow.
We'll be able to get a lot out of her.
I'd tell Future Me to throw up a pic, but this is coming directly from Twitch, guys, on YouTube.
Come on, Kakashi, we gotta go after them.
Future Me can't really do anything.
Hey, Kakashi! Kakashi?
The 2 of us need to carry on with the mission by ourselves.
What? Do you know what you're saying?
Yes.
But Rin! What about Rin?
We'll think about Rin later. They want to know what our plan is, so they won't kill her straight away. We should be more worried about them learning our tactics. To a ninja, his mission is everything. That's the ninja code.
Yeah, as a kid, Kakashi was kind of a
ninja
dick.
Code? There's something way more important than that stupid code. What about Rin? She's one of our comrades.
Yeah.
She's helped us time and time again with her medical ninjutsu. She
shut up,
supported
so
us
you guys
the
can enjoy
entire
the cutscene.
time. She's a priceless friend.
She did that because it was part of her mission.
Forget it. You and I just don't get along. There's no point in discussing it anymore.
You don't get it. You don't know what happens to people who break the code.
Sure, maybe in the ninja world, those who break the rules are scum. But you know what? Someone who doesn't care about their friends is even worse. I'm going to help Rin.
She's trapped in a genjutsu. If you want to free her, you'll need to defeat us.
But there's no way you could do that.
Rain, I promise.
All right. So we're gonna, I guess he does have a name. We're gonna take on Taiseki. We're unable to use our secret technique. That's a bit of a letdown. And here's our battle requirements. Win with more than 50% health left, which I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do. Drop one enemy who's climbing on a wall to the ground. Land a ninjutsu attack 3 times. And connect with 1 throw. So let's go. Hey, we got someone watching. I don't really have my laptop out, so I can't really check it out what it is. But hope you're enjoying the stream. Whether you're just checking me out in general for you know, awesome gameplay, or if you're just a fan of the show, want to catch up on the storyline, whatever. Welcome. Oh shit. Alright. Motherfucker.
Because you're weak, Obito. Get over it. Just a little more. Green.
Hello.
To rescuing your friend?
Huh?
You think like a kid.
That
You really think
wall
someone
gameplay though.
like seriously against a kid? You don't mean to give up, do you? Maybe you're not as useless as I thought you were.
What the? He really seems to enjoy being up here. It's only because he's purposely going up on the walls that I'm finding this strange. Nice. One more for good measure. Oh, dip game. Oh, he believes. Ah. I know you're using the juice when I'm on a wall, but I don't have any shot for him. Stuff is happening now. Oh, fight's over. Well then.
Whoa.
Hey, we got the S rank. Alright, it's time for me to shut up.
Quit playing games, Taiseki.
I guess that wasn't the guy. Well, clearly.
Camouflage jutsu.
Okay.
You can do it, Obito! I'm rooting for you!
I won't give up.
Die!
Haha. Particle effects.
Kakashi? What are you doing here?
Well, I couldn't leave a weakling like you on his own, could I?
He's pretty tough for a kid. I think I'd better join you, Taiseki, just in case.
I'll take the lead here. Back me up, Obito. Let's do this!
Alright, let's see. Your focus has changed. Oh, sorry, this isn't Final Fantasy 13. Alright. Defeat Kako and Taiseki. Unable to use the secret technique again. More than 50% health. Drop one enemy who's climbing to the wall. Connect with throw 1 time. And connect with Obito's ninjutsu 1 time.
Obito, is Rin okay? We used genjutsu on Rin. That's why.
You have to do this the first time, so I figure I can hit it now.
Leave it to me. Good to go.
Ah. Excuse me, sir. My man.
Guess there must be quite the manpower shortage in the Leaf.
It must be crazy to send kids like you out to war.
Age doesn't matter. If you can fight, you fight. That's the ninja way of life.
Our training system is worlds apart from yours, I guess. Everything you say pisses me off. You know that?
Prepare yourself.
Camouflage jutsu!
Prepare yourself.
Haha.
Okay. You missed. You're mine.
Don't ease up just because they're kids. I just let my guard down for a second, that's all.
Still, they're definitely more than your average kids.
Dismissed.
Fire style! Fire!
Camouflage jutsu! Camouflage jutsu!
You think you're hot stuff, huh?
Possibly.
You think you're hot stuff?
What the? Oh, I guess I
Time
didn't
to
get that.
finish this.
Well, there you go. And we get an A for our efforts.
The little brat is really tough.
Sometimes I see the stick like flipping around or whatever, and I'm just like confused for some reason.
Obito!
See ya.
Ah, shit.
Kakashi!
Damn it!
Kakashi! Are you okay? You're high.
I'm not dead yet. Just stay focused, Obito.
We can use this to our advantage. I'll finish both of them now.
I can never back up what I say. I always rely on everyone for help. But still, there's one thing that I want to make sure I can back up.
Oh.
Your eyes.
Obito, you've awakened your Sharingan.
I'm going to save my friends. Huh?
Whoa, seriously?
Ready? Obito?
You bet.
Destroy Kako. Unable to awaken. When with more than 50% health drop when enemy cover the wall. Succeed with one after image action. You can never Kakashi's ninjutsu once.
I feel like whatever. I better stay sharp anyway, since he's strong enough to take out Tyson.
I can predict what my opponents are going to do. Is this Sharingan's power?
You little brat! Don't get cocky! What's going on with this guy? He's right in the palm of my hand. You won't be leaving
Alright,
in
yeah.
one piece.
Just trying to get better with these now.
Let's go!
And I can read the motions a bit better.
I'm sick of looking at you maggots!
Okay, let's go!
I've got this one. Leave it to me. I can sit. Yeah. Got it.
Nice.
Don't mind if I do!
Gotcha.
Don't mind if I do! Dismissed!
Stay cool. They're just kids. They're still green when it comes to
I can't.
Sooner or later, they'll leave themselves wide open. When they do, I'll pounce.
just better be the maximum there. Cause I'm doing that pretty damn quick, I think.
Here's one. You little brats!
That's not nice. Oh, he's fucked. Woo! He ain't gonna be a rush hour 4. That double turn. And not a wrestling double turn.
Release!
Kakashi, Obito.
We're here to save you, Rin. You're safe now.
You rescued the hostage and let your guard down.
Don't you think it's a bit early to relax? You little leaf brats!
I want him to curse so bad.
This is bad. Run to the exit.
Because of you little shits. Oh man. I would have found that hilarious. Because I'm a bad person.
Kakashi!
Oh.
Are you okay, Rin? Kakashi? Obito! No! Don't bother. It's no use, Kakashi. I think I'm done for. Obito!
No! But why? Obito!
Damn it! Why? If I had listened to you when you first said we should go after Rin, then this would never have happened. Some leader, some Jonin I am.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. I never gave you a gift to congratulate you on becoming a Jonin, Kakashi. I've been trying to come up with something good. And just now, I got an idea. Don't worry, it's not some lame gift you can't use. I want you to have my Sharingan. I don't care what people back home say. You are a great Jonin. I truly believe that. Take this, please. I'm going to die now, but I'll become one of your eyes. I'll see what the future holds.
Alright. Sucks that he had to take the L there. And that's how Kakashi got his Sharingan in the end.
Kakashi, hurry and take Rin and go. More reinforcements are coming.
But Obito!
Just go. Reed.
Earth style! Earthquake slam!
Reed, grab onto me, quick!
Just when Kakashi and I finally started getting along. But I never managed to tell Rin how I feel. I wish I could have stuck around a little longer.
Obito!
Damn it.
Kakashi, protect Rin.
Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it!
Okay, I was looking away from the screen for a long period of time. I hope I didn't miss anything. I mean, as far as like a button prompt or something.
Am I dead? Wait.
Looks like you're awake.
Sensei, why?
This kunai is a marker for my transportation technique.
What about the enemies?
Audio not
I took
syncing
care
up
of
with the mouse.
What about Rin? Where's Rin?
I'm sorry I didn't make it in time, Kakashi. Rin told me everything.
The third great ninja war. This long, drawn-out conflict came to an end after taking the lives of many nameless ninja. At the same time, it carved the names of a number of heroes into ninja history. The Battle of Kanabi Bridge. On that day, two heroes were born in the Hidden Leaf Village, each with their own Sharingan. The name of one is carved on a tombstone, while the other is known far and wide as Kakashi of the Sharingan. However, with the passage of time, even tales of heroism can unfold into cold, heartless reality. The fighting, the pain, the hatred. It goes on and on, forever.
Alright guys, so that was the Boys Battlefield Part 2. You can see there. Finished with an S rank and 2 A ranks. Got the S rank for Rin Kidnapped and the A ranks for the 2 United and the Inherited Eyes. Okay. You know, I'm fine with that actually. I'll probably go back on my own time and better those as we finish with the overall A rank, or like I said, I'll go back on my own time and probably better all of them. Oh man, I missed 2 of them for that one. Got them all there, and got them all there. Must improve. But there you go, that was the Boys Battlefield Part 2, and we've unlocked our new episode, In Hell. we're probably going to save that for the next episode there. Let's start with Beyond Death. So yeah, we're going to save that for the next episode. No, actually we're going to save that for the episode after, probably, because we want to go right back here to the Yin Path. Sorry. Yeah, we're going to go back here for the Yin Path and Those Who Know All. As you can see, that kind of branches out. So we'll see what that's all about. But hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for my YouTube fans checking this out in the coming hours or so. And we will see you next time. So, peace.